Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing dun 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 the February Sephora Play subscription. This subscription costs $10 a month, and it's like any other subscription service. You sign up, you get this in the mail a couple weeks later. It is a monthly subscription, and again, it is $10 through Sephora. I'll put the link down in the comments below. Now, I did place the order for this on February 2nd, and it was delivered. No, I'm a subscriber, so I didn't place the order. I'm subscribed, a monthly subscriber, and the charge for this went through February 2nd on my debit card, and it was delivered February 20th. So it took about 18 days to get to me. I'm not sure why it came so late. I don't know if everybody else's, arrived around the same time, but I just kind of figure, if you're gonna charge it on the 2nd, why wasn't it shipped out around the same time? Maybe a few days later, why did it take so long? But let me know if you guys have this subscription, if it's the same way. So this is what this month's box looks like. It is the February box. So we're gonna open it up and see what's in here. So this is what the inside of the box looks like here. And it says, love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephora.com/play. So I'm so sorry, I feel like I have something in my eye. Okay, so this is what it looks like here, and inside is, they include usually this like poster type of thing, and it has like little fun drawings on there. It says you know what an essence is, and that's why we're friends. So it has like different little things on here, super cute. And then on the back it has the all of the items that you're receiving. It does also come with the Sephora Play card, which I love that because it does give you an extra 50 points towards your Sephora beauty points. So that that's always good as well. So this is what the bag inside looks like, or the box looks like inside. This bag says feel the love, hashtag Sephora Play. I think it's super cute, but again, I feel like, why did it take so long for me to get this? This seems like kind of like a Valentine's-y, bag, which is super adorable, but why did it take so long to get to me? I'm not sure, so we'll see what next month brings. So this is what the bag looks like, and we open it up inside, and it has a bunch of goodies in there. So the first thing I see is, it says it's a perfume sample, so it looks like this, and the little perfume sample is in there. Let me open this up. It says Clementine, California. I think that's how you Clementine, I think that's what it says. So let me open this up. Oh yeah, maybe Clementine. I think Clementine. Little postcard. That's what it looks like. And this is the little sample bottle in here. So let me see what it smells like. It actually smells pretty good. And I'm not a fan of these ones that don't have like the little spritzer, but it doesn't smell bad. It actually smells really good. It doesn't smell like clementines. Let me know how you say that. But it has a nice fruity smell. It just doesn't smell to me like clementines, however you say it. Let me close this back up. I don't want this to spill. Okay, so that was sample number 1, and it did get all over my fingers. Okay, so that's one. The next item in here is a Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pen in the color black. I have quite a few of these, and this is kind of was my issue with Ipsy, is that with every subscription it seemed that I was getting these black eyeliners, which are great, but I mean, don't get me wrong, Clinique is awesome. So this is what it looks like before I open it up. So this is what it looks like here. Clinique is an awesome brand, but I'm not a fan of these like felt. Actually, this one feels like a brush. So let me show you guys. It's a very precise line that it's giving. Super black, it's a really nice line. And actually this, I thought it was like a felt tip, but it's not. It's actually like a brush. So I might actually use this one. I'm not a fan of the eyeliners that have like the brush tip on there, because I'm not. Sorry, I moved the camera. Hold on, let me fix you guys. Okay, we're back. I have something in my eye, and it's like bothering me. Hold on, it feels like I have something in my eye. Okay, Sorry about that. Okay, so that was number 2. Now, I did look up the value of these items. This one is valued at $20, this Clinique eyeliner, which that alone, you make up the cost of the box. So that was $20. I believe the perfume sample was about $5-ish, around there. So the next item on here is called Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask for sensitive skin. Now, this, I do actually love it because I do have very, very sensitive skin. I tend to break out very, very easily. So I'm really excited to try this out. And it says, again, it's a jelly mask. You leave it on your skin and then rinse it off. So I'm actually going to try this tonight because I am actually breaking out. And this one has a value of $6. So we're at 26. We're about $31 so far. The next thing is this Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel. I actually did another video on this, comparing this one to the e.l.f. exfoliator, and I really, really like this one. I chose e.l.f. because it exfoliated my skin more than this one did. At least I felt that way, but I'm excited to have a sample one of these to use. I'm actually probably going to give this to one of my sisters or somebody that wants to try it. So it's a great, great mask. This one has a value of $9. So we're at, I forgot the total, so you guys, I'll let you guys know down below what the running total is. Then the next thing is this Makeup Forever Artist matte high pigmented lipstick. Now when I saw this, I was a tiny bit disappointed because I thought I got the same thing in last month's Sephora box, but it is the same product but a different color. So when I opened it up, I was like, ooh, such a pretty color. I don't know how good these burgundy-like colors look on me, but I do want to try them. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm excited to try it out. Sometimes I think they can be too dark on my skin, but this is actually a really super pretty color. So I'm excited to try that one out. And this one has a value of, actually, I saw this one on eBay for $1. So I don't know how much they normally are, but that's how much I saw it for. So the last thing in here is this Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Matte, Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. So this is what this looks like here. It's a Sephora lip gloss type thing. This one had a value of $12, so it's pretty good. I don't know if I would pay $12 for something this size because it does seem a little bit on the small side, but I mean, it says it's $12 on there. So let me take this out. I actually want to put some on. I'm trying on this like new lip liner and lip gloss that I found at the Dollar Tree or Dollar King. So I think it's a really pretty color, but I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't know if it's too much. Like it just doesn't match the rest of my look. I don't know, but you guys tell me. So, okay. So I'm opening this up. Hold on a second. And excuse the baby stuff back there behind me. We're having a baby shower for my niece this weekend, and I've got to, can you guys see what happened to my nail? Look, I polished my nail this morning. Oh, I'm so sad. Look. How the whole polish came off. Oh, disappointment. I didn't let it dry all the way. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Oh, I like the style of that little brush. Look at how cute that is. Super cute. Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't have a scent, but let me put some on my lips. It does feel really, really creamy and light. It doesn't feel bad. I think my lipstick and lip liner I was already wearing was pretty glossy already, so I don't think you can really tell, but I like how this actually feels, and it doesn't feel sticky. Like, you know when your hair goes like this? Look, it's stuck. I lied. I hate when that happens, where you're wearing lip gloss and like the wind comes and blows and it's like, oh my God. And now you have a mouthful of hair. I hate when that happens, but all in the name of beauty. So those were my products that I got. I believe I totaled up the value, and the value was about $49. So it is a good value for, you know, the $10 subscription. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys got the same products. If I don't know if everybody gets the same products, so let me know. I'll also, as I mentioned, I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to sign up for the subscription. Leave me your questions, comments, concerns, anything in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I'm a little under the weather today, so I've been fighting off this like cold or flu or whatever it might be, but I think I thought it had hit me about a week ago, but it feels like it's coming back, so hopefully not. But again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Oh, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below before you guys leave, and also the little bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.